a guest in someone's house can be a fun experience, but it can be stressful too. Everyone is different. Some hosts might like to make you feel special by cleaning the house before you get there. They might make you a cup of coffee or cook dinner for you when you arrive. Other hosts might want you to help yourself more. Some might want you to help them prepare meals or wash the dishes after dinner. Other hosts might want to take care of you and might not want you to help. When you stay at someone's house, it's a good idea to talk to your host and find out what they might want you to do or not want you to do. If you're not sure, ask them. Think about how your host might feel or what they might want to do. For example, if your host hasn't seen you for a long time, they might want to talk until late. But if they have to get up early, they'll probably want to get to bed. The best thing to do is to ask them. If we can try to adapt to how they do things, we can keep them happy. When we stay with others, we can learn different ways of doing things. If you usually get up late, but your host prefers to get up early, see this as an opportunity to try doing things differently. Sometimes in life, it might not be possible for you to adapt. But the important thing is to talk about it with the other person and to show that you want to try to be flexible. Talking about it allows them to adapt to you too. Remember that the ability to be flexible with others can be helpful in many different situations, not just when staying at someone else's house.